Hey everybody, Troy again, back again. I received 2 or 3 packages last night, but it was like almost 8 o'clock at night from Amazon. And this was a budget boom mic, shotgun mic kit. Instead of going with the boom mic with the Rode system, I wanted to save some money. I'm on a budget. So I went with a recommendation from Sean from Think Media. And he recommended this kit. It's the same boom mic and everything, except without the Rode. I went with the TAKSTAR just to save a little money. And I'll have all the links to all this down below in the descriptions. So first, this is the Loha. Now this one wasn't one of his recommendations. This one was an Amazon's choice, and I was looking for a flexible tripod. I went ahead and bought this. So this was separate from the recommendation and from the shotgun mic boom mic kit. This is a flexible tripod. Anyway, this is that Arctec ARTEC keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard, 7-color backlit, portable, slim, light, universal. This is the 3-piece hot shoe. We'll go ahead and open that up. So there's a spot here, here, and here, and so I can place a light here, or the shotgun mic here, and the light here, or the light here. And it has a hot shoe connection. Pretty cool. 25 feet of cable. This is the extension for the boom mic to connect to my connect the shotgun mic to my D5500. 25 feet. Here's the Neewer 8386 dead cat. So when I take the shotgun mic outside, ooh, that's soft. To protect it, you know. If it's windy, I'll be putting that on. This was, I believe, recommended by Sean. Now, here's the Cambat, C-A-M-B-A-T-E, and it's a 2-piece adapter set, so it's 2 different diameters. I'm not sure what the diameter on my camera is, for the boom mic. So if you buy this kit, both of them are here. So you know, if you buy the wrong one, you're kind of ass out. So this will help you out. Now here's the TAKSTAR. This is the TAKSTAR SG6 598. It was like under 30 bucks. So has for under 30 bucks, a lot of great reviews on it. Just check out the other reviews on YouTube. But I'm gonna be placing this on my Nikon D5500 with all the other stuff. And so this is going to be fun. And here's the OnStage Stands Euroboom microphone stand. And this is what Sean recommended. So, and with everything here, I'll be able to connect this to my Nikon, and then when I want it as a boom mic, I can set this up with this and have it over me. Instead of having a separate mic system. Right now I'm using this Booyah mic, which is really great for under 20 bucks. But anyways, that's it, folks. I have a lot of video making to do, a lot of reviewing or overview to make. So, well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all together.